Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.78. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.22%. This equates to an average return of 0.7% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken through a strong upward trend, signaling an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be a pullback, support will now be found on the ceiling of the recently broken trend at $128.56, a level that may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $149.18 is projected to be the next possible peak, which may act as a resistance level that is not easily surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 22.01% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from negative 6.73% to positive 11.07%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 0.91%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 33.98% and positive 4.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $93.23 and $147.51. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock price ended at $141.22 on Tuesday after gaining 2.8%. The Nvidia stock price gained 2.8% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, rising from $137.38 to $141.22. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.93%, with a day low of $137.96 and a day high of $142. The price has been volatile during this period, showing a gain of 4.24% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with a total of 29 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 223 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $31.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $153.13, and the lowest price was $86.62. Currently, the price is 7.78%, or $11.91, below the 52-week high, and 36.67%, or $81.76, below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $222.98. Nvidia has recently reclaimed its position as the world's most valuable publicly traded company, surpassing Microsoft with a market capitalization of $3.44 trillion. This milestone follows a significant increase of 2.9% in stock price, driven by robust demand for its artificial intelligence chips, which are pivotal for various applications, including advanced software development. The company's ongoing success is fostering growing confidence in its long-term growth trajectory. The fast money traders are actively discussing strategies for Nvidia, debating whether to buy or sell, given its recent strength. This heightened trading activity reflects increased interest among investors, which could bolster stock volatility in the short term. Nvidia is also positioned to remain dominant in the artificial intelligence market with no signs of slowing demand. Analysts predict that as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, Nvidia's revenue from AI chips will surge, further enhancing its market value. However, ongoing tensions between the United States and China pose a potential risk to Nvidia's growth, as these geopolitical factors could impact its supply chain and sales in foreign markets. Balancing these dynamics will be critical for Nvidia's performance. Overall, while short-term fluctuations may arise due to trading sentiment, Nvidia's strong fundamentals in artificial intelligence technology and its leading market position suggest a favorable outlook for long-term investment. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned NVDA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. The 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NVDA a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned NVDA an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general buy rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels 136 and 3600ths and 120 and 6700ths. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 45.72%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. The volume is also rising alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have been issued as well and may impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 41 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $115.99 and $114.33. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $115.99. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $114.33 and $107.57. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.04 between its high and low, or 2.93%. Over the last week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 3.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 27th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 98 cents per share. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $115.99. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. conducted an insider sale of 1,900 shares of common stock. On the same day, Robertson Donald F. Jr. also conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 21st of March, he made another insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. On the 19th of March, 2025, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 5,689 shares of common stock. Moreover, on the 20th of March, 2025, Shaw RTS conducted an insider sale of 2,300 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power stands at a negative ratio of negative 53.671. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,811,784 shares and sold 8,523,220 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $136.08, reflecting a decrease of 3.64%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 30 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive, and the stock has broken its upward trend, suggesting an even stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect Nvidia to open lower by 83 cents and start trading at $140.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.